Hey Wendy, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to actions here are super helpful with your conversion. So that's really good to have. And I'd recommend maybe a form. So the main thing that I'd recommend here would be adding more content to your homepage. The reason is Google has what's called crawlers crawling the internet 24/7. And so they're looking through all the website's content, all the verbiage here, and they are looking for keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And here is an example of a keyword, Foundation Repair San Antonio. And so when people put this into Google here, the first thing that pops up are some ads. But if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be in the top 3 because the top 3 get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is to have a Google business profile with more citations than these businesses here. And what a citation is, it's your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you also want to have a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos as well. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and the remainder of the 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. So the same thing applies here. The top 3 get the majority of that 60 to 70%. I don't see you on this first page here. 90% of people will stay on this first page, so it's important to be on the first page as high up as possible. And let's take a look at this #1 ranking business for this keyword. So I have Baird Foundation Repair. They also have some good call to actions. It would be really easy to outdo them with the content on your homepage. But let's compare the back end of each website. So I have Baird to start off with, plugged into Ahrefs. And so this is pulled from Google data. These ratings here, UR and DR, 34 and 17, this is their authority and trustworthiness of their website. And what makes up these ratings here are their backlinks. They have 3.65 thousand backlinks coming from 344 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it is one website linking to another. It's kind of like a shout out. It is important to mention that not all backlinks are created equal. So there are good quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, but there are also spammy backlinks that will harm these numbers and bring them down. So Baird has 2.4 thousand keywords on their website. And so let's go over to your website. So I have your website plugged in here. And so you have a 4 and a 0.1 coming from 185 backlinks from 7 referring domains, and you will have 49 keywords on your website. And so I'd recommend here is getting more high quality backlinks so you can boost these numbers, as well as adding buyer intent keywords to your website. And so one way to get good quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into Baird's backlinks here, and then you would link all of those backlinks to your own website, because if it's working for them, it would work for you as well. And then let's go take a look at some of their keywords that they have. Foundation Repair San Antonio, 2.5 thousand people are searching for this every single month. Just trying to find your buyer intent keywords. Driveway repair, 100. Corpus Christi Foundation, 350. And so there are quite a few. There are thousands of people searching for the services that you provide in the areas that you service. And so we definitely want to make sure that your Google business profile is ranking as well as your website so that you are able to get that traffic for yourself. And so adding those citations to your Google business profile, as well as adding content, keywords, and backlinks to your website so that you can rank. The more eyes that are on your website, the more people that will be converting to your customers. And so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.